Hi everyone, this video is about data collection methods, and our group will be featuring questionnaire method. Questionnaire or indirect method is also known as paper and pencil method. It is an alternative to interview which utilizes questionnaires. It is a list of questions or items used to gather data from respondents about their attitudes, experiences, or opinions. Questionnaires can be used to collect quantitative and/or qualitative information. But how is it being administered? Generally, there are two ways to do this. First, we have the self-administered questionnaires. These can be delivered online or in paper and pen formats, in person or through mail. All questions are standardized so that all respondents receive the same questions with identical wording.
Please excuse me, do you study in our yes. Can you answer this survey for me? It will only take about 5 minutes. Of course.
Second is the researcher-administered questionnaires. These are interviews that take place by phone, in person, or online between researchers and respondents. Now that we know how questionnaires are being conducted, it is time to learn the types of questions in a questionnaire. We also have two, the closed-ended and open-ended question. Closed-ended are restricted choice questions that offer respondents a fixed set of choices to select from. It is best for collecting data on categorical or quantitative variables. Examples: in a ranking question, respondents are asked to compare and order several choices in accordance with their preferences. The selections are ranked from most to least preferred or the reverse. Next, a Likert scale is an ordered scale from which respondents choose one option that best aligns with their view. It is often used to measure respondents' attitudes by asking the extent to which they agree or disagree with a particular question or statement. Last, a dichotomous question is one that has two potential answers. In surveys, dichotomous questions are typically used to elicit yes or no, true or false, or agree or disagree responses. They are employed to make a distinct contrast between circumstances or respondents' opinion. On the other hand, open-ended or long-form questions allow respondents to give answers in their own words. Because there are no restrictions on their choices, respondents can answer in ways that researchers may not have otherwise considered. Examples: how do you feel about your first week in OLFU? How would you describe your student life at the university? In your opinion, what is the biggest obstacle for productivity in online setup? Lastly, before we end this video, here are some tips for designing an effective questionnaire. Define your goals and objectives. Use clear language. Use balanced framing. Keep your questions focused. Use a logical flow. And that's it for questionnaire method. Thank you, and we hope that you learned something new today. Bye-bye.